Base coat, how important it is to protect our natural nails. And now I feel that I have got my perfect match. So I'll be swatching and reviewing this base coat from Beromt. And if you want to know more about this base coat, just keep on watching. Hi, this is Vrushali and welcome to my channel. I quite like the packaging and their products are easily available on their site or on Amazon. The link is provided in the description box as well. The bottle is quite sleek and you get 10 ml of the product. On the box it says shake well before use. The shade is 101 and the MRP is rupees 199. Now let's take a closer look at the tip. As you can see guys, it is a round tip which makes it easier for application. It is thin in consistency and the formula is quite milky. Now let's move on to the swatch. Here I am applying just one coat of Beromt base coat. Wait, did I tell you the application is quite smooth and easy? I think it's because of the creamy and milky formula. It's been months that I was looking for some Sasta Sundar Tikau base coat and this one from Beromt is just perfect. It's so smooth and shiny and milky and dries quickly, and you can just apply it on your naked nails and keep it as it is, or go ahead and apply a color coat. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and please do give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.